Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. In this video, I am going to talk about the construction of 60-degree angle step by step. First of all, draw a line of any length, but here I take 10 cm length. Okay. First, drawing a line of 10 cm. Next is we have to use pencil and compass. Okay, and by this we can draw a curve or half circle. So I take approximately 3 cm radius. Okay, you can take any length of radius. Okay, but here I take 3 cm. So putting this here and draw a curve by this way. So okay, next with the same radius we put this in the intersection of straight line and the curve here and draw a curve and cut the curve. Okay, now I'm going to join this and this. Now joining this and this point. Okay, done. Now I'm going to check whether it is 60 degree or not. So by this I'm going to check this. Okay, so it is a 60-degree angle perfectly. Okay, and we denote this angle by A, B, C, and therefore the angle A, B, C equal 60 degree angle. This is 60 degree angle. That's all. If this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe the channel and like the video, and if there is any mistake then please comment in comment box. Thanks for watching.